Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Yes, today I'm before you with video regarding the complete registration process for the NQT, upcoming NQT, which is to be held on August and November. So in this video, we'll be discussing into full and with full details what are the registration process. So we have already made what is this NQT and what is the expiry date for the making the registration and examination, what are this everything regarding this in our previous video, which was presented by Soumya ma'am. Just watch that video first and know about it and come to this video and know about the registration process and get started to it. Okay. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to this channel, please to subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. You can connect us in social media platforms. The links will be there in the description box given below. And we have an application. The links will be there in the description box. The application provides so much professional courses and placement training courses too. So yes, now let's start. So here you can see that I have already logged in. So here you will have a provision for login. So you have to make your email ID and username if you have already created an account here. If not, then you can go for that, like create account and create your own account and get started with it. Okay, so I have already logged in with some random ID. So I'm going to buy a course. So as an example, I'm just clicking this. So here you can see I've got some page where you have to fill my personal details. Okay, so this is the first stage. Yes, you can see I'm just going to click this again because I have gone into it, my personal account. Yes, this is the page. I mean, you have to give your personal details. Since I have already made a random account, I have given all the personal details here, like education, examination details, everything. You have to fill it. If you're new to this, you have to fill it one by one, everything. You have to give, like, you have to generate OTP and you have to verify your phone number, everything you have to do by yourself. Now, coming to the examination details, this is something different from that. Like, this is not option which is provided in the previous NQTs because you have a two provision for selecting the month of examination. This is to be conducted in August and November, 2 months. Two slots are available. So you can select which month according to your convenience. So this is up to you. So I'm just selecting something random. You can go for any month which is convenient to you according to your exams, your academic activities, everything. You can adjust with it. And you have two mode of examinations like online and in center. You can select any of that. When you are going for the online mode of examination, there are some instructions to be followed. Like you can see here, like Windows or Ubuntu OS operating system, Google Chrome browser, internet connectivity of 2 to 5 Mbps, a working web camera. So okay, so this is the instructions to be followed because if there is some server issue from TCS part, definitely they will be rescheduling your examination. Okay, some server issues, some server crashes happened in between exam. If it is that from their part, then definitely they'll be rescheduling it. If you could give the prior reason, like if you could mail them, like I have not attended the exam, I didn't got opportunity due to some server problems. But in case if the network problem is with you, if some system problem is with you, that opportunity will be lost forever. Okay, so before giving this online mode of examinations, you make sure that your internet connectivity and your system is well good enough to work for this. Okay, and now next is in center. So when you select for the in center option, you will have this. You have to select the state prefer and you have to select the city preferred. Okay, and after that you can select that are you personally disabled. This is the options you can select. So when you go for in-center, currently now in-center is not acceptable because in the last month there was an NQT. I mean, by 23rd, one NQT is going to end. So there was an option like in-center since this pandemic is growing day by day. So there was an option to change all the incentives to online. So incentive wasn't available for the time being. So here in this condition, we don't know whether they will be having like rescheduling that or giving one more opportunity to change the incentive to online. So while selecting the mode of examinations, please do be mindful regarding that. According to your convenience, please do make the necessary changes. Okay, so this is about the examination detail. After that, you can submit here. You can upload your photo. You have to go for this captcha and you have to accept the terms and conditions. After that, you can submit. Okay, so this is the first step. Like you have to fill your personal details and get started to it. So I have submitted my registration, like my personal details here. So you can see this will be there. I mean, this will be given. So this is your NQT ID, and you have to make your payment just before the date ends, because if you have not made your payment, this registration will not be valid. So while you go for the registration, just do it. And after that, there is no current discounts available for the price, but there's a chance that after 2 days there will be a discount available. There are so much examples like previous time it had appeared. So some coupons will be available for the discount purpose. So just wait it, just give your personal details, everything regarding that, and after that just wait for 1 or 2 days, some coupon available or some discounts are available or not. After that, make your payment, so you don't lose any of the money. So this is how you have to make it. But one thing you must be remember, you should keep the reminder about you have not completed the payment, else you will be losing your opportunity. Okay, so this is how you have to do. After that, you can click the close, and yes, this is, you will be reviewing your personal details here. You can see every details you have given here is appearing. After that, you have to click to proceed here. Okay, if you want to make any further edit to your personal details or application by viewing this, if you got to know that there is some mismatches or something like that, then definitely you can once more edit it before the registration day ends. Okay, once you submitted your personal details in this registration, you can edit it if there is any changes, but only till the last date of registration. After that, if there is any changes, it will not be accepted. So in case of editing, you can go for this link. So previously we have viewed a page to give your personal details, so same page you'll be viewing, you can edit your personal details, and here you can, after that, if it is everything is fine, you can click to proceed for the payment section. Okay, so I'm clicking this click to proceed. So yes, you can see there is no there is a price which I have as purchased for, and yes, enter the coupon code. So here there is no coupon available. Just after 2 days, you just check some coupons are available or not, because some discounts will be available. Okay, after that you can click apply, then you will be getting the discount. So here I'm just proceeding it. It's an example. So here you will have a link to go for the payment. So you can click this pay now and go for your payment. Okay, you can use it your internet banking, your debit card, your credit card, or you can go for your UPI payment, everything. Okay, this is different modes of payments. So this is how you have to go for the registration step in TCS NQT, which is going to happen on August and November of 2021. So I think it's very clear regarding the full complete registration step. So make a registration before the date ends and attend for this. All the best for everyone. So if there is any doubts, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the video that we present before you, that also you can make it in the comment section. And until I come up with another video regarding so much of opportunities available, thank you everyone and have a great day. Stay tuned to Online Study for You, and everybody stay safe.